Okay, Piggy, what are you doing? I'm reading. What are you reading? Read it. Chester's back. Really? Yeah. Put the book down. Okay, Piggy, you look a little creepy from here. Why? Because they're stupid. I don't care. Do your homework. No. I don't care about you. Excuse me, mister? I don't want people making fun of me, so you better do your homework. Ooh. Mommy. Can you let me know? I'll stay home alone. Ooh. Actually, that before you left me home alone.
Ooh.
Okay, Piggy, do you want to play a song? Okay. Okay, Piggy. Let's go. He is crazy.
What did you say about me? To the citizens of the Bikini Bottom?
I said. Here, let's look for your brother.
Okay.
Piggly, what are you doing?
Playing a song.
Piggly, what are you doing?
Practicing piano. Here, watch what I'm doing.
Play another song.
I was a little piggy. His name is Wake Up. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Boing. Ow.
Okay, now.
1, 2, 3. I was a little piggy. Blah, blah, blah.
Come on, Big Piggy, let's go.
Hey, what about me?
What? Fine.
Oh, I was a little piggy. He was Bo. Yay, bitty, bitty, bitty,
I promise that when you finish your workbook, I'll give you how much money on trip?
50.